Well, we've got good news. We found the gas line for them. I know they were really wondering where it was, and we found it. Well. So we're starting a new job. This one's very exciting because it's a sweet, very cool water feature. Some folks had us come in. They've already got a water feature. It does not work. It leaks everywhere. And apparently it has for about 15 years. So it really sucks. So we are going to completely rebuild this thing, do it the right way, and make it look really pretty and cool. So here's what we're dealing with here. Honestly, doesn't look too bad. It's gonna look even better. Jason's here. It's really cold. It's 30 degrees. It's cold. Yeah. There was a lady from Colorado complaining about the cold this morning at the rental place. She was like, I'm in Colorado and this is cold. It's different cold here. Yeah. So it's really cold. Anyway, we're gonna rip this thing out today, get it demoed, try to get it prepped, and then hopefully start rebuilding tomorrow. Making good progress. Getting a lot of rocks separated over there. Put a lot that we're not going to use back there behind the building. About to get the excavator in here. Start pulling out big stuff. Well, we've got good news. We found the gas line for them. I know they were really wondering where it was. We found it. Apparently, whenever this was built previously, it was built around the gas line. It's just coming straight through it, which could have been one of the reasons why it leaked so bad, because it must have come through the liner, I guess. Very strange. So yeah, we got the gas company coming out here to check this out, get their gas back on. Well, things got interesting. Turns out the gas line is a very old gas line and nobody seems to know what it is. We're trying to find fittings for it. Even the plumbers we've been talking to are not quite sure what it is. So we're trying to track down. I'm currently talking to a couple different plumbers, trying to identify and track down this material and fittings for it. So we're kind of just at a stop until we can get this gas line fixed, because it's, like I said, it's getting very cold at night right now, and I really don't want to leave them without whatever they use their gas for overnight. So that's our number one priority right now. We'll see what we can find. All right, we got them. We got them. Got the big fat fittings that we need, the extra pipe that we need. So we're gonna lower it down out of our way, move it a little bit. Joel's gonna do it. Joel's proficient. Yes. Get a better angle here.
What they say about dirt.
She's good. We're good. Got her fixed. AOG gave us the thumbs up. Gas is turned back on. These people don't have to freeze to death tonight.
All right, we're back at the water feature job right here. Right now we're waiting on some material to come. So while we're doing that, we are getting our line marked out and dug around this, all the way around. That will go into our pump vault where our pump is, and that will be for the autofill so that they never have to worry about the water feature running out of water. Has a little thing in there, basically like your toilet. The water gets too low, kicks on, fills it up. So working on that. We're waiting for our material, and then yeah, then a little bit later we'll get started on the water feature. All right, me and Wilson about got this trench done. Get our hose around, going to our autofill. Adam getting started doing our seam on our underlayment. We're got a board down, got some zip tape. We're gonna pack that up, and hopefully, I think that'll be the only seam we have to do. I'm pretty sure. There's a small chance left to add, maybe a little bit on this side right here, but hopefully not, but we'll see. Ooh, right, all right. So we've gotten all of our spillway rocks in and our frame rocks in, and it looks pretty good. It's definitely hard to tell right now until we start getting our gravel and other stuff in there, but we are kind of waiting now for Adam to get done doing the plumbing from our pump vault around to our spillways where the water actually comes out. So we kind of have to wait for him to do that. So me and Wilson are gonna head back to the truck, go to the shop, clean our dump trailer out from some stuff from last week, and then we're gonna get some gravel. We're come here and start getting this thing looking nice. Right? Nice. Alright, YouTube, so it's midday, we just got back from lunch and things are going pretty good. Me and Wilson got all our rock we need, and Adam is working on this plumbing stuff right here. He's about done. We had the wrong size part, so he ran to Ace to get the right one, and yeah, he'll screw that in. That part will be done, and Wilson and I, oh, I can't turn around. Wilson and I are getting started placing our rocks around the outside. And yeah, we'll start at the bottom and work our way up. We're back. It's Wednesday. Today it's just me and Adam. Wilson had some stuff come up he had to do, and the guy we use sometimes to help us was already working. So just me and Adam today, but that's all right. We got enough little things to do. We'll stay plenty busy, but today should be good. Hopefully we'll have water running through this thing before lunch. That's the goal. We'll see. But I got to do some stuff with this electrical crap over here. Adam's gonna start plumbing in our spillways. So I'll let y'all watch him. And yeah, we'll see how far we can get today. We might have some rain coming in tomorrow, so we'll see. We should be able to do about a half day tomorrow. Just depends, but they're never really right about the weather, so who knows? It'll probably start raining in like an hour. Alright guys, well, I was having kind of a hard time videoing this over here, but we've got most of this behind our spillways done. It looks like, you know, a nice pile of rocks, but we're about to turn it on, see how she flows. Let her in. Nice. Heck yeah. That's awesome. Good morning. Well, it's Friday. Back over here at the water feature, and we got a bunch of rain yesterday, but luckily most of this is gravel and concrete, so this side's still pretty workable. Got a little bit of mud right here, but not too bad. But Wilson and Adam are over getting plants, and they're on their way here. We're getting ready to finish a small section of the side of the creek, and then after that, it's just touch-up stuff. We got some landscape going in, some lighting going in, and we're just cleaning up all this dirt and mud and rocks we don't want, and we're done. So I really think we can get it done today. I mean, unless something weird comes up, which I don't think it will. I think we did everything right. Everything seems pretty solid, so yeah, we'll see. All right, it's after lunch. We've got quite a bit done. Just got to put a few more rocks along there to cover up that stuff, you know, the things that we don't want showing. Cover that up. And then we got to put some plants in, do a little bit of dirt work, put the lighting in, and we're done. We're done. We're so close. So close. So, yeah, it's going really good.